Hi, welcome to Axel Learning Smart Math Challenge series. In this series, we will explore challenging math questions and see if we can beat the clock and get the answer in under 10 seconds. First, we will show you the problem of the day. Next, we will try to solve the problem using the standard method, also known as the boring method. Then, we will explore AI responses like ChatGPT and Google's Gemini to see how they can solve these questions. And lastly, we will show you a faster and smarter way to solve the question without using a calculator or an AI. Stay tuned till the end to see how we can solve this problem in less than 10 seconds. So, here's the problem. A can do a piece of work in 12 days. A and B together do the work in 8 days. How long would B alone take to complete the work? A, 8 days. B, 10 days. C, 15 days. D, 18 days. E, 24 days. Let's see how most people solve this kind of problem, the boring method. Here's the same question. Pause the video now to see if you want to solve it first before we do. So, the standard method. A in one day will finish 1/12 of the work. Let B finish 1/B of the work in one day. Hence, 1/12 plus 1/B equals 1/8. Therefore, 8 times B plus 12 equals 12B. 8B plus 96 equals 12B. 4B equals 96. Therefore, B equals 24 days. And the answer is letter E. And the estimated time to arrive at the answer is 45 seconds. Now for the fun part to see if AI is smart enough to solve this correctly. We'll first start with ChatGPT and then we'll do the same with Google's Gemini. Here we are in ChatGPT. Let's paste the question and see. Remember, our answer was option E. Let's see how ChatGPT solves the problem and if we can get the answer faster than the boring method. Alright, it's calculating and it gave us the correct answer, 24 days. That's letter E and it's definitely faster than the boring method. Now let's try this in Google's Gemini. We'll paste the same question and see. Again, remember our answer was option E, 24 days. Let's see if Gemini can give the correct answer faster than ChatGPT. And it definitely did. It took us only a few seconds and it gave us the correct answer, 24 days. Letter E. AI is definitely helpful. But what about the times that we're not able to use AI? With that, as I had promised, let's see a faster and smarter way to solve this question without the use of a calculator or an AI. Here's the same question. Pause the video now to see if you have a faster and smarter way to solve this question and beat the clock. So here's the smart way. Should B take 12 days working alone, then A and B working together would take 6 days. But A and B together actually take 8 days. Hence, B would take more than 12 days to finish the work alone. This eliminates option A and B. Also note that the difference between 6 days and actual 8 days is that of 2 days. Simply multiplying 2 with 12 would get 24 days, which is the answer. That is letter E. And the estimated time to arrive at the answer is 10 seconds. See? That was fast, faster than the boring method. Considering we didn't use an artificial intelligence, just our brilliant minds. Drop in a comment to share if you have an even better and faster way to solve this question. Like and subscribe to this channel for more such videos or visit us at www.axellearning.com. Thank you and stay tuned for the next one.